Good morning, everybody. How are we doing? If you guys haven't seen the news yet, we just went 70 for 70 wins on this channel, guys. We ended up doing this over here on DOT, guys. And this wasn't, the smallest win. We did 5.83%, and the stop loss is still going on this. So I think we could, if this moves up, we could do about, I would say 10 to 15% on DOT. Just before that this morning as well, we also won an 18.80% win on Dogecoin, and that stop loss hasn't been hit yet either. And we're going to probably ride this up if it just keeps going. Probably at about 20 to 25% is where I'm hoping we can get there. I'll show that to you guys really quick. We got an exit here, stop loss here. If this thing just keeps moving up, guys, I'm just going to move our stop loss with us. So guys, we are, contrary to belief, people are like, there's no way you guys can win that many trades without scalping the market. We don't scalp, guys. We literally, we're making 18% and 5% gains in here in the market. And we've done over 20% in the past trades here on this channel that I've shown to you guys. So just want to show that to you guys, keep everything transparent. All right, let's go over this. Like DOT, 21.61% on the past trade that we already made. Matic, we made 17.88%. And then I moved the XRP trade here, smaller one, 3.04 and 25.1, and we did 32% on Bitcoin in the last bull run. Okay, let's get over here. I'll show you guys exactly how to take all these trades in the second half of this video. So just stick around. I promise I'll show you how to get in the Telegram channel, take the trades, and do that so you don't miss another trade. I want to spend some good time today on Ethereum. Where is this going? I want to spend a little bit of time comparing it to Bitcoin because we're seeing some really interesting price action here. So let's go over this. Do you guys want to know how to professionally call, I don't mean to sound cheesy here, literally professionally call drops in the market before they happen? It is this way. Now watch this. I'm going to spend a lot of time here. Price versus money flow in the trend dashboard. If you guys ever see price action starting to move sideways or move in an upward pattern, trying to create a high and another higher high, in this pattern here, we're seeing basically a double top formation, and you guys start seeing this green line right here. This is the money flow. If you guys start seeing this move out of the market and price action is going sideways and the flow of money moves out drastically, this is a huge precursor. You could be seeing big drops in the market. We did end up calling this drop over here, as well as using trend exhaustion down here because we're in the top red section. The next time this happened over here, we pushed in the top red section for the trend exhaustion. The money flow was at a ridiculous high over here. We said, do not get into any positions, guys. This thing is going to drop. We actually ended up winning. I think we're close to like 18 or 19 trades in a row that we haven't lost, that we won just when this bull cycle right here on the coins that we're trading. Okay, now follow me over here. That divergence theory is what I want to show this to you guys today. When you're looking for drops back down in the market, you guys can absolutely use the trend exhaustion and the money flow. These are the two most accurate indicators to call drops in crypto. I'm just convinced of that. I literally coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com customers 2 years ago. It's how I made my literal living for my family. And I'm telling you guys, out of all the hundreds that I have coded, there are not more accurate indicators than these three. The trend dashboard tells me what retail traders are doing. We trade exactly opposite of them, as well as the price versus the money flow and the trend dashboard tell me when the price is going to head down and when it's going to head back up with very good accuracy. Is it right all the time? No, but with good accuracy. Let me show this to you guys of how you can read this. When you guys are looking at this indicator and you are seeing this come down and create a high and a lower high formation, money is flowing out of the market, as well as the trend exhaustion is creating a high and a lower high, where it's saying the trend wants to go down, and you guys see a high and a higher high here, price action going up. This is where I do not look for the price to move up any further. And it's actually where I look to call drops on the channel, and that's what we end up getting is a drop back down. Let me correlate this to today's analysis because I want this to make sense to you guys. What we're seeing in here is if this candle right here comes up here and starts creating a high and another higher high, follow me here, guys, and you guys see the money flow here not reach above this high here, this is a form of divergence, and this is showing us that money's flowing out of the market, has plenty of room to head to the downside here, and this is where we could start seeing divergence take place and another big drop back down in Ethereum. Okay, you guys need to be watching this. The buy limits are set up down here, and I actually am getting ready to get into this trade. I have all my buy limits set, and I'll show you guys where to access those in the second half of this video. But I want you guys to be aware of this. Here's something I'm also seeing. A lot of cryptos like to break, retest, and move back down after they hit ascending or descending support lines or resistances, depends on what trend you're in. Right now, we're looking at an ascending resistance line that we ended up breaking the ascending support. Now it's ascending resistance, and I'm looking for this move back down, which a lot of times happens. But follow me here. This is a little bit tricky, so I wanted to explain this to you guys. The trend exhaustion is at the bottom here. This still has a lot of room to head up here, as well as the money flow has a lot of room to move up here as well. So what we could be seeing is a move up here above to try to get to the structure high here or structure high here. And then that's when we're probably going to get close to the red section up here. And we have dropped literally almost every single time we get up into the top red section. We see it drops back down on the market. We see it drop back down, drops back down. Like, it is ridiculous how accurate this indicator is. So real quickly, guys, so you know this, you have 3 days left. I'm upping the price of the price versus the well money flow, so you guys can call these tops and bottoms for yourself and follow me on the videos. You have 3 days left. Trend exhaustion is also going to be going up in price as well. So make sure you guys get those in the description. Okay, follow this and let's put this on pause real quick. Let's go over to the metrics and I want to show you guys something for Ethereum. The metrics, as well as all the live trade entries, which I will be going over here second half of the video, will update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Watch this for emotional index. We are still hovering in this excited and even getting no closer to this greedy section when we start moving up here. Now, what you guys need to understand is when retail traders get excited in the market and they get very greedy, this is where they're liking to buy because they see the price going up. And this is where they're like, oh my gosh, all my friends are in the market. I think the price is going to keep going up. I do not want to what, guys? They don't want to miss out. Okay, what I've been trying to teach you guys on this channel is that when you guys see the emotional traders get very excited and greedy, if you come down here and you look at what the wells and institutions are doing, they are looking to acquire the opposite. Short trades in the market on this pump here. They've already made a great deal of money on these moves back down. I've covered this before, but you don't need a lot of money in the exchange or even just to get a big move down to make money. Most exchanges for shorting will allow you guys to use leverage. Call it 5 to 10x leverage. That's 20 to 40% profit on that move down here. If the whales are, when they're shorting, follow me here. We do not take short trades, and I'm going to pull this all together here in a second. When you guys see this, that's between 50 to maybe, 25 to 50% for 5 to 10x leverage for this move down. Okay, now how are we going to pull this together to make sense on the charts? When we start seeing whales and institutions look to short the market, this is when we are setting up our long trades. This is what happened on Dogecoin over here. We saw short trades enter the market for whales and institutions. We got picked up on this price, and now we're up here, and we're up 18.80%. We did this back here. A lot of whales and institutions were selling while all the retail traders were FOMOing into this, thinking it was going to go up. We were patient. We got in at this low price. We've been holding this since September, and now we're up 18%. Patience is going to make you profitable. That is like the motto on this channel. Okay, let's take a look at this real quick for Ethereum. On-chain metrics for long and short trades. Guys, what's going on here? We are seeing actually a little bit of a dip down in long trades. If you guys look at this, it was flat and we saw a little bit of a dip down yesterday, but short trades are still increasing. Long trades dipping out, short trades increasing. What does this mean to me on the charts? It's putting pressure on Ethereum as we start moving back up here to these highs again. So I wouldn't doubt if we start seeing this move up here, this might be a little bit of a fake out here to the upside, getting people caught on the wrong side, and then this is going to drop back down to some nice lows. Where do I think we could possibly hit as a low for Ethereum? Let me show you guys how to do this. I'm also going to answer a question I get a lot. You guys are wondering how I structure my Fibonacci retracement to look like this, and I'll show that to you guys. Basically, taking the high and taking the low, I still feel as though Ethereum does have the potential to reach down here at this structure low value of about $3,500. Okay, that is where we're currently at, taking the top to the bottom at 50% retracement. Here's how you guys can do this. If you want to get my exact settings on here, go ahead and screenshot this, stop the video. This is exactly what I use. There you guys go, screenshot, cha-ching, awesome, you guys got it, cool. That's how I call this out, and these are the only two things you guys need to look for, in my personal opinion, the 1.6 extension and the 50% retracement. Okay, great, let's continue here. I want to keep showing you guys some things and show you how to set up the next trades so you don't miss this. Show this to you guys down here. I want to look at the support and resistance prices real quick. This is also correlated to the structure low here on the daily time frame. So a bigger time frame, the next structure support is at 2,651. That puts us down here at this level down here. Now, could we enter into a bear market cycle and we start coming down here? Yes, it's possible, but I don't feel as though we're going to see a crash this far by the end of the year. I do think we could see what I've been calling for the longest time is a move up, a nice higher low formation, and then another pump move up before the end of the year is what I think could happen here. We're already taking a lot of profits on all these trades and you guys are doing well. But as the price moves higher and higher, I am going to, because I'm the one who sets them. I set all of them, guys, nobody else. I set all the buy limits on this channel. I make sure the buy limits are really far spread apart. Why is that? Because the higher you guys get in price here, the greater you can have a currency drop on you, and you want to make sure you have your buy limits spread out very nicely in case a drop occurs, okay? Follow me here. I'll keep pulling this all together here if you guys aren't understanding here. It's very simple though. Dollar cost average entries. If you guys have $10,000, great. You guys can put money into the market. Hold for 5 to 10 years. Sorry guys. Hold for 5 to 10 years, and you guys are going to do very well. Awesome. Here's what I want to talk about. The exit points. This is showing us not when the market is expected to maybe drop every time, but looking for exits in the market as the price goes up. Now, as Ethereum's going up here, I do expect to see a little bit of a move back down in the market if we start seeing another red bar here. We saw this happen here. We saw a little bit of a dip here. We saw a little bit of a dip there. And obviously, we saw a nice drop back down in the market there. When these accumulate, this is where you guys want to be watching for drops. Now, let me move into the section of the video where I teach you guys how to set up the trades so you guys can literally take all of these with us. So here's what I want you guys to do. I'm just looking at this real quick because I didn't know if I have any more analysis for you guys. Just watch this. Here's what I want to say. I'll get into showing you. Give me 30 seconds, less than that. Watch the trend exhaustion here to get to the top red section. When this happens as well as the well money flow, guys, that is when I'm looking for this drop to really take place in Ethereum. And it's probably going to put us at structure high up here. Once that happens, if these are in the top sections, watch for that drop back down. And that's where we're probably going to start looking to get triggered into our next buy limit. So just want to leave you guys with that. Watch this. Here's how you guys do this. Don't miss another trade. Click under pricing under tradeconfident.io. The description has the links to all this. I think it says access our live trades and metrics or something like that. It's going to take you guys to this page right here. This is what you're going to see. Awesome. Go to pricing. It's $49 a month. I am looking to up the price of this. Make sure you guys just get in now. Before I do that, you guys will be grandfathered in at $49 a month. So if it goes up, you won't pay an extra fee. That's basically what grandfathered in means. When I was younger, I'm like, what does my grandfather have to do with anything with pricing? So if you don't know what it means if you get it now, I won't up the prices on you when they do go up, okay? You're going to get access to all the metrics in here. Here's what you guys need to do if you do not want to miss another trade. This is so simple. I'm going to go slow, so follow me. We trade all of these coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, ADA, VET, Matic, XRP, Solana, Link, DOT. There is plenty of money to be made on all of these guys. I'm proving that to you. Click into any one of these. Click in it, and you're going to see a chart that looks exactly like this. For this example, we're going to use Bitcoin, but do this for all of them. At 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which at the moment of recording this video is literally in 20 minutes, you guys are going to see 4 lines below the current price. You're going to see them right now. It doesn't matter when you check them. Simply take the 4 lines. This is currently updated for 1027. This will say 1028, obviously today when it's 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, they're updated for that day, so you guys can make sure you check this, and you're like, okay, great. I now have all my perfect buy limits set up for that day. What you're going to do is if you have $1,000, simply get into the exchange and put 25% increments at each buy limit. So you have $1,000, 250, 250, 250, 250. Here's buy limit 1 price, buy limit 2 price, buy limit 3 price, buy limit 4 price, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, simply just set your sell limit at the first yellow line up here above your first buy limit. That's all you guys are doing. Once you do that, come down here, click Telegram. You must be logged into Telegram on your phone or your computer. This is a hot link. Click that and you guys will be added over here into the channel where I'm giving you guys market updates and showing you guys what I'm looking for as far as exits and keeping track of all the wins over here and the profits, okay? Once you guys do that, make sure you guys are definitely getting over here and snagging the indicators before they go up in price. At minimum, get the price versus the well money flow. That's going up in 3 days. You guys also need to get the trend dashboard and the trend exhaustion to follow me on this channel. The best thing to do is get the bundle pack, which will give you guys 81% off all of the indicators right now. It's absolutely the best deal. This is sold separate from the membership here. I want to just be honest about that. Individually, the indicators are going to be 60% off with the coupon code SAVEMONEY. So if you guys are going to buy individually, use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout. But if you guys just want to get 81% off instead of 60, this is what you guys want to do. Now, this is actually going to go up in discount because I'm not going to up the price of this, but I am going to be upping the price of the indicator. So this is going to actually appreciate in value. So if you get this now, you guys are actually going to get appreciating value because these all individual indicators are going to go up. Does that make sense? It seriously is the best deal you guys have on here. As well as the bundle pack, you get 4 other indicators on top of these 5, which you guys can use for Forex, cryptocurrencies, and stocks. I've coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com customers, and I promise you guys, these are the best ones. This is why we have not lost a trade, and I prove to you guys every day on the videos of how accurate these are of calling the tops and the bottoms. This is how we haven't lost a trade. It is the indicators, it is the metrics, it is the membership once you guys get over here with risk management that we use. So, God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing Thursday, guys. Today and tomorrow, I take Saturday and Sunday off, so make sure you guys are setting up your membership. Make sure you guys are getting the indicators. Those are in the description before those go up in price, as well as make sure you guys are coming over here and locking this price in for yourself. I don't know the exact date I'm going to up this, but I'm just giving you guys plenty of warning. That's the point of me saying that. So no one's freaked out and be like, why didn't you tell us, Travis? I'm giving you guys warning here. If and when I update this, you guys will be grandfathered in, okay? It's just simple. You guys will stay at this price if the prices go up. If not, you guys get the cheapest membership you'll ever have on anyone out there for 70 wins. I'm not trying to be arrogant, but I really do think that's a really good membership for you guys to have. So guys, have a good one. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm going to head over to emails right now to answer all of them. If you guys have any questions you want to ask me, email me, betradeconfident@gmail.com, and I'll answer the questions for you guys. All right? Make sure you guys get your membership before it goes up. Make sure you guys get the indicators before they go up in price in 3 days. And then make sure you guys are following me in the Telegram channel, which you guys get access to once you are signed up for the membership at tradeconfident.io. Let's go, guys. We are going to try to go 80 for 80 winning trades in the month of November before we reach December, and we'll see if we can do that. Come join us, guys. Let's make some more profit. God bless you again. Have an amazing, amazing day, and I'll see you guys later. Everything you need is in the description. Bye, guys.